Hi, I'm Bishop Damas Aguilar, a 12 TBL CEC student is making a video about media information literacy. Today's video is going to show you how to use the official YouTube app and upload your own video in your Huawei phone without the Google Play services. I have my Huawei phone right here. I'm going to show you how.
Huawei phones now, the new models, doesn't have a Google feature. I guess Huawei and Google company maybe not in good terms. The risk of not having a Google Play feature is you cannot download, install, or use any apps under Google management. Includes the official YouTube app and YouTube Studio. Now, today, many Huawei users are having a problem that they can't sign into YouTube and post their own video. This is also a major problem for YouTuber, bloggers, or any individual who has a YouTube channel. Some YouTubers are afraid to purchase Huawei phone these days, having a thought that may not able to upload their contents. But in this video, is I'm gonna show you the steps of how to use the YouTube app and YouTube Studio and upload your very own video in your very own Huawei phone who doesn't have a Google Play services. Okay, I'm gonna start the demonstration.
See, I do not have a YouTube app on my phone. But do not worry, we can still use the YouTube app in a Huawei phone. First, you're gonna go to the alternate app stores exclusively only for Huawei users. The Huawei app gallery. Click the icon. Then type into the search engine the YouTube. See, the YouTube app is visible here in Huawei app gallery, but we can't download or install it. All we need to do is open this. You can able to open the app of YouTube official. We now open. This is now the official YouTube app. Now, the second step is gonna sign in your Google account. Sign in. I did it. Okay. You're gonna type your password. Done. I have done type the password. Now we're gonna click next. Now it's loading now. Now it means that you are signed in now on your Google account with the YouTube official app. See, I have now signed in into the YouTube official app. Now we're gonna teach you now how to upload a video in this. Now we're gonna place this red arrow, the up arrow icon. Now this is now the YouTube Studio. Then click continue to YouTube Studio. Now we can able to use now the YouTube Studio to upload our own video. Select a file. Now I'm gonna upload the video about my cat. this is it. Rename. We're gonna add a thumbnail about this. This is the thumbnail. Oh my god.
The video is now processing. Now we're gonna wait till the video is ready so we could able to publish the video.
Done. The video about my cat has been already done. Now what we need to do is post this. Yeah. Now we'll click the next. Next. Let's publish the video. Now it's loading again, and now it's done. I already posted the picture, the video of my cat. Now we're gonna watch it. And now it's done. Now look for my video if it's really get uploaded. Wild tuxedo.
What the fuck is this, John?
It's done. My video get uploaded by YouTube. Okay. See, in that simple steps, is you can able to use the YouTube app and upload your own video using your Huawei phone. Okay, that is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, my fellow Huawei users.